Hey everyone, Dylan with the HD Perspective, and I've got the Mac Tools flyer for May. This is the Canadian flyer, in case you're wondering, so prices may be different wherever you may be. But here we've got a couple torque sets there, buy one get one. Looks like a regular and a short. Three different hammer set there, soft base, and then the dead blow and ball peen and a sledge. 144. Stubby impact. And then you get some sockets with that as well. So $359. They're saying you save $229. Definitely could see the use for a stubby impact, but I would shop around, that's for sure. Yeah, and as usual, I'll put some links in the descriptions of maybe some alternates, things you could consider. There's a die grinder, a straight one with the, what do you call those carbide burrs, I guess. $233. Ratchet and socket set there, $239. I'm not the biggest fan of Mac ratchets. I have this one and the 3/8 and I rarely use it. So I like either Matco or Snap-on ratchets a lot better. I don't know, it's just my personal preference though. So. Puller set here, $199. And then the slide hammer set there for $214. Good sets to have, they come in handy. Not something you're going to use a whole ton, but they definitely have their use, that's for sure. I guess an underhood light there stretches out. Looks like it's kind of fancy anyways, but also pretty pricey. So I don't know if I'd be doing that, but up to you, I guess. Some sensor sockets there and the thread chasers for it, so could be handy. Getting those O2 sensors out are pretty tough, as well as usually NOx sensors are about the same size, so headlamp there as well for free, I guess, if you buy that. Yeah, crow's foot pry bars. Yeah, if you don't have them, something that you need to get probably. I use mine fairly regularly. And $120 flashlight. Yeah, thanks. The DeWalt stuff, I guess. Drill and impact driver, $277. Porta power set there, $362. I don't know, this has always kind of been a shop tool for me, but could vary, I guess, depending on your shop. That's actually not a bad deal there. $60 for some trim tools. Looks like a good variation of different pieces, so could be handy there. Stud gun starter kit. There you go, $362 for pulling dents. Plasma cutter there. Some body hammers. And few different body repair stuff there. $181 for a light. Wow. Looks kind of handy, but a couple of guys have bought the Snap-on version of that, and they seem to like them. I don't know if it's a little cheaper or not, but worth looking into anyways, I guess. Some sanding stuff there, and a spray gun. There's their toolboxes that they're featuring now. So there you go. Not sure if I like this because I like to set stuff on top of my toolbox. So yeah, if you want to get anything out from underneath, you would have to clean your toolbox off first, which could be a good thing, I guess. Keep it clean. Just dump everything on the floor behind it. Couple Mig Welders there. I have used this before and it does work. At least I've never been able to blow up a battery with it, but Always a good idea to disconnect your battery when you're welding, just so it doesn't backfeed or ruin some of your electronics or something like that. Welding helmet, $2.29. Got a cart there and a stool. A few different welding things there. Scan tool there. And a tire pressure reset tool there. Tire monitor system. Wow. Breakout box and charging and starting system tester. That's a lot of money. Yeah, these digital torque wrenches are nice to have if you got to do torque turns or sometimes setting a preload on a bearing or whatever. Bearing driver there, and impact driver kit. Never really, I have one. I don't really use it too much. Usually don't have much success, but I guess it depends on what you're working on. The knuckle saver wrenches are on sale. Ooh, those are pricey, but I guess if you got your eye set on them. I personally like the Flank Drive Pluses from Snap-on, but I haven't really used these to compare that much, so I have the old knuckle savers and they're a little different, so there you go. Brass punches and the center punch there, the auto center punch set, $100. Here they are doing this again. You should never use this, never, ever. 1,000-pound motorcycle lift there. There's the clothes and stuff, and a little bit of a deal on that battery, a 5 amp hour. Well, that does it for the Mac Tools Flyer. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one.